Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For this tutorial Tuesday, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this Kim Kardashian inspired glam with affordable products and of course easy to follow steps. By the way, if you have beauty questions, you may message me on Instagram. It's at Makeup by Booya. I give makeup recommendations from lippies to complexion products that best fit you. For this video, I already wore my foundation and brows. So first, habang hindi pa nasiset yung face ko with powder, I'll be using Colorstay Cosmetics Contour Tint in the shade Jordan to shape my face. So I'm using this foundation brush from Focalure to blend out the product. You can buy the Focalure face brush set on Shopee for only 200 plus pesos. I'm not sure what the exact price is, but 200 plus yung naalala ko. Nag-iiba-iba kasi guys kasi may pa-sale si Focalure or si Shopee, so it varies. I like to use Jordan when contouring or bronzing because as much as possible, gusto ko konti lang yung powder na nilalagay ko sa face ko kasi I have dry to combination skin type and pag nagpapile ako ng powder, nagkakik siya throughout the day. So I want to avoid that. So that's why I barely use contour, highlighter, or blush powders on my face. To blend out my nose contour naman, I'm using this imitation Zoeva Dense Concealer Brush which I got from Shopee. So part din siya ng set pero eto lang yung natira sa akin kasi eto lang yung pinaka-favorite ko from that set. Maganda to kasi hindi siya super flat na concealer brush. It's a little bit dense so therefore yung effect niya sa skin nyo when you blend it out, mas soft siya and walang streaks. For the cheeks naman guys, I'm using Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in the shade Milk Tea and I'm using a blush brush from the Focalure set. So it's from the same set of the foundation brush I used earlier. So guys, I'm going for the shade Milk Tea kasi ito yung shade na makaka-achieve talaga nung barely there nude blush. Ayoko kasi gumamit ng mga peachy or pinky shades for this look kasi gusto ko yung very nude lang talaga na effect on my face. So napaka-perfect ng shade na Milk Tea to achieve that look. And to set my face naman guys, I'm using Kathy Doll's translucent powder and I'm gently pressing it all over my face to softly seal the foundation in. Ngayon naman guys, I'm going to use my go-to foundation right now, which is the Revlon Colorstay Life Proof Foundation Stick in the shade 310 or 310, whatever you want to call it. And I am applying it on my lids as a makeup base. For my eye makeup naman guys, I'll be using the shadows from Bilena's Ultimatte palette. I'm picking up this soft neutral brown shade with my fluffy brush from Clover Collection to warm up my lid crease. When warming up the crease, guys, I like to concentrate it on the upper outermost corner of the crease with small circular strokes and slowly flicking the shadow inside and out. Guys, yung shadows ng palette na to ay a little bit powdery, so beware lang kayo of the fallout. So when applying the shadows on your eyes, be careful lang guys and apply it as gently as possible. When flicking the shadow outside naman of your eyes, make sure guys you do it in an upward motion so your eyes will look catty and not droopy. For the lid naman, I'm gonna pack this soft old rose shade with a dense flat lid brush from Clover Collection. So this will give our nude look a very subtle blush. Now with a thin bristled flat eye brush, I'm using the same shade to smoke out my lower lid. When smoking out the lower lid, make sure to connect the outer shadow to the tear duct area. With a tapered brush, I'm going to use this to define the outer corner of my eyes with a deep, warm brown shade from the same palette. And with a fluffy brush that I used to warm up my crease kanina, I'm gonna use this to soften the definition on the outer corner of my eye and again, flicking it outward so it looks catty. So my go-to liner right now is from Mina. So this is a really perfect tool to achieve that matte, dramatic eyeliner look. To curl my lashes naman guys, I'm using Boktoh's Lash Curler which I got from Landmark Makati. For this look, I'm gonna use this dramatic lashes from Shopee which is 100 yung isang set and yung lash adhesive naman that I'm gonna be using is from Landmark Makati. I forgot the exact price but I got it around 160 pesos. For my mascara, I'm using EB Advance's Lash Define Mascara. So I super love this because it has a wand specifically for the lower lashes. So hindi na kayo mag-worry na magka-clump yung lower lashes ninyo kasi perfect talaga yung wand na to for the lower lashes kasi napaka-nipis niya. For the highlighter, I'm using Skin Potion's Glam Pocket in the shade The Balm. So it is a cream highlighter. So it really suits my preference kasi as much as possible, diba? I use small amounts of powder on my face. So this is a really perfect highlighter for me. And to top of this look, of course, for the lips, I'm gonna be using yung Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in the shade Milk Tea, the same product that I used for my cheeks. And that's it for this Kim K inspired glam. Please tag me on Instagram if you're doing this look. I would love to share your beautiful faces on Instagram. Again, if you have makeup or beauty questions, don't be shy to hit me up on my Instagram account. It's at Booya. Thank you so much for watching my first video for 2020. And again, no hate, just love.